In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to escalate a ticket in Zoho Desk. Navigating a ticketing system can sometimes be complex, but with Zoho Desk and these straightforward instructions, you'll find the escalation process both efficient and manageable. Let's dive into the details of how to properly escalate a ticket within Zoho Desk. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Desk account and locate the support ticket that requires escalation. It's important to ensure you're in the right ticket since changes affect communication with your support team and the customer involved. Think of this step as setting the stage for everything that follows. Once you're ready, the next task is to open the ticket you intend to escalate. If you're dealing with numerous tickets, consider using filters or the search function to quickly pinpoint the specific ticket. This saves time and minimizes errors. After you've successfully located the ticket, simply click on it to open and view its details. This will lead you to the ticket's main interface, where you'll be able to see all relevant information, including any correspondence that's taken place prior. Now, your focus will shift to changing the ticket's status. On the ticket page, you'll notice various fields detailing the current status of the ticket. The status field is where you'll need to concentrate next, as this is the key to escalating the ticket. To proceed, hover over or click directly on the status field. This interaction will present you with a drop-down menu, revealing various status options available for selection. From the drop-down list, you'll see different status indications that help in organizing and prioritizing tickets within Zoho Desk. Since we're focusing on escalating the ticket, you'll want to look for the option that reads Escalated. Carefully select Escalated from the drop-down menu. This specific status informs your team and the ticketing system that this particular issue requires higher priority attention and possibly involvement from more experienced staff members. With the status now changed to Escalated, Zoho Desk will automatically update the ticket. This status change triggers any preset escalation rules your organization may have, such as notifying senior team members or managers. It's these rules that ensure the ticket is addressed with the urgency it necessitates. Even though the steps are quite straightforward, it's always a good idea to double-check that the status change has registered correctly. You can confirm this by revisiting the ticket and making sure the status field now displays Escalated. Once confirmed, the ticket's escalation is complete, and you can rest assured that it will be handled with the priority it deserves. And there you have it. By following this process, you've learned how to efficiently escalate a ticket in Zoho Desk, enhancing your ability to respond to more critical issues promptly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide proves to be a helpful touchpoint for managing your support tickets in Zoho Desk efficiently. See you in the next session.